Today, we're going to show you how to change a Toyota Venza Key Fob battery. This is going to work on Toyota Venza models 2009 through 2015 or any other Toyota vehicle or Venza that has this key shape. It does require a CR2016 battery, so we've got a link to that in the description below. And then in order to do this, you're going to start with a screwdriver, and there's a little indentation right here. You're going to insert your screwdriver and you're going to twist. That's going to pop off that rear cover, and then you've got access to the battery module. Now a trick here is you want to make sure that you put this face down so the buttons don't fall out when you remove the battery module. And we're just going to take a screwdriver and gently pry that open. That gives us access to the module. Remove that, and then this is where we're going to find the battery. Now there's some writing there. It says use coin to open right there. We're going to take our screwdriver again, and there's a little ledge right here. You're going to insert that screwdriver and you're going to twist. That's going to allow you to have access to that battery module there. And we're going to be able to change our CR2016 battery for the Toyota Venza. Now you want to be careful here because as time goes on, the plastic can get pretty fragile. So we're going to very gently pry up in the corner. That battery is going to pop out, or if it doesn't pop out, just gently remove it once you get it started. Then we're going to take our new CR2016 battery. We're going to insert it. We're going to push up against that spring forwards. Make sure all the little plastic tabs engage there, and then we're ready to put the cover back on this. So we're going to put the cover back on. Okay, we've got that in place. Now we're going to put that back in the key. Make sure we get the right orientation on this. Then we're going to put that cover back on. And now we're going to press down and get everything sealed back up in there. And we have got that Toyota Venza Key all set. We've changed the battery on it. Now this will work to change the battery on Toyota Venza cars from 2009 to 2015. And while I got you here, it's completely free for you to subscribe and or give us that thumbs up. And let me tell you, it does help support the channel, and it helps us bring great DIY content for you and others, even if you don't have a Toyota, maybe you've got another vehicle. And we hope to help you save money or make your day a little bit easier with this type of content. So you subscribing, you giving us a thumbs up, or commenting, or clicking on the link are all ways to help us reach more people and help them either save money by doing some DIY stuff, showing them how to do this so they save some time or energy or effort. And we also do reviews on this channel, just do cool stuff. So maybe you're looking at a product, we get those products and help review them and just give you all of the features and experience using the products or how-to on that. So you giving us a thumbs up or subscribing does help us do that, and it helps us reach other people. So I always appreciate when you do that. Thank you for watching how to change the key battery on a Toyota Venza 2009 through 2015. We'll see you next time.